Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you how to prevent or allow Microsoft Store apps from turning on when your computer boots up. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu and kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung apps. So i-click mo lang yan. At dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then dito lang sa start up. So apps that start automatically when you sign in. So itap mo lang tong start up. And then ito na siya. So start up app. So apps can be configured to start when you log in. In most cases, apps will start minimize or may only start a background task. So makikita mo na dito yung lahat ng ating apps. Kung gusto mo itong i-turn on or i-allow dito sa start app, so kailangan mo lang i-turn on yung button dito sa right side. So for example, click mo lang yung button yan. So turn on, or gusto mo naman itong i-turn off. So click mo lang ganito siya. Alright? So turn on or turn off kung gusto mong i-allow sa startup. And then, dito naman sa kanyang sort by, so pwedeng name. So, click yung name. Or pwedeng status. So, click mo yung status and then makikita mo dito yung kanyang status. All turn on and then dito naman yung lahat ng turn off. Or next, ito yung startup impact. So, click mo lang yan. And then, same, makita mo dito yung naka-turn on or naka-turn off dito. So, select mo lang dito kung anong gusto mong or as your optional as sort by name, status, startup, impact, or name. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to open Microsoft Store apps on startup in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.